Oil change. Nissan. Oil change and air filter. Air filter is dirty. Very dirty. Okay. And the oil filter. I take the oil filter off and take a okay. And the oil anything done. Okay, you need a 5 quarter oil, and this is a new oil filter, and this is a new air filter. Okay, new oil filter. We have to put a little bit the oil in there. Okay, put the oil around here, around the seal, the gasket. Okay. Okay.